Another day, another package. Let's see what we have here. Product for video review. Oh, this is a wallet that can attach to the phone. It's a magnetic wallet from the PROfezzion brand. Let's see what we got here. I had a phone holder for the car from this company that was really good quality. I really liked it. Let's see some instructions here. Shouldn't be that difficult. It has a little strap, some magnets in case your phone doesn't have them. And here's the actual wallet. Pretty small actually. Really good. Let's see, how do you open this? There you go. And let me show you what I have now. So this is what I'm carrying out. It's been through a lot of issues, this wallet. Look, I have step on it or like bang on it. That's all I have here. Nowadays, you don't carry too much cash. I don't carry too much cash. This one, from what I remember, it was rated for 4 credit cards. I have 4 credit cards plus my driver's license. Let's see if it fits. Yeah, not bad. It closes. Let's see if it fits a bill here. Yeah, it does that too. And let's see the phone now. So here's the phone. I already have a magnet in it, so I don't need the ones that come with it. I don't know if I'm gonna carry this with it all the time, but I'm definitely replacing the wallet because look at this. Pretty banged up, it's bended. I put it in my backpack sometimes and I must have hit it with something. I'm gonna put this little strap too on it. These are always a little bit difficult. Not to open, but to put on. Oh, this goes inside, I think, as to hold it. Let me see. So the little strap goes through here. Do it like that. And you can attach this to this side. Or screw it in. So I read the instructions, and the little strap can be attached if you put this plastic part here inside the case. Then you do the other end of the strap here and you screw it in. So now it's, even though the magnet is pretty strong, look, it will fall eventually, but it will hold with it. Let me see if one of these extra magnets will help keep it in place. Let's see if I were to put that one there. It really doesn't do much more. Whoops, now it's stuck in there. It's a pretty strong magnet. Let's see this one. I guess because it's two negatives, this has a magnet already. This is for phones or for cases that don't have this magnet. And this, my phone already has not only a magnet, for this case, which is from another company, but it serves as a stand. So I think for now, I'm gonna keep the wallet separate from the phone because I don't think I'm gonna be happy carrying everything together. So here it is. This is one piece, but I'm gonna leave it like that for now. These magnets might be for another use. I can carry it like this again if I was going somewhere, like I'm going skiing next month. So I'll put everything together like this maybe. But if you want to use the little strap and the plastic support from inside the case, you can do it like that. So if you decide to put the wallet here on the back with a magnet, it can work as a stand, as you can see there. You can flip it and can be sideways. Let's look for the previous video with this company, not that one. Here it is. So there's the video. This is the video from PROfezzion, but this is the holder for the phone in the car. But you can obviously also, since it's magnetic, you can use that holder to hold your wallet with your phone on it. So many different uses. Good product again, PROfezzion magnetic wallet. Good company. Look for the video, or I'm putting the video from the phone holder here in the channel so you can see it.